How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's episode, we'll be covering the Ford original rear upper window molding covering all 1994 to 2004 coupe Mustangs. These moldings over time do become faded, or you can even leak due to age and wear and tear. These moldings will cover all V6, GT, and Cobra models and will be a 100% genuine Ford part. You can see here that this molding will run along the top edge of the glass and will wrap around each side of the upper corners of the glass. This new molding from Ford will feature a black rubberized finish and a metal core for added strength and support. Now, when it comes to the installation of this part, you will have to remove the back glass. Due to this, we do not recommend you attempting the install on your end. We highly recommend having a professional glass shop in your area do this one for you. As you can see here, we had one of our local glass shops in the area knocking this one out for us today. All right, everyone, just to recap, we do want to stress that this will not be an average Joe kind of job. Since the back glass has to be removed, you will need to call around your local area and consult with your local glass shops to do this install for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and turn on notifications so that you can be up to date with all of our new videos. As you already know, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.